Good evening, students. Today's topic or project is to display the number the next integers or the next numbers after the number we entered. So dear students, as we have done this program, we just change it. Next 10 integers after a desired number. Same. This is again a label. This is again a label. This is a text box. These two are the command button. We'll click on run. Change it. Only one change. Print A plus J. Let's see whether it will work or not. Run. If I write 5, 6, 7, 8 to 15. Clear. Let's see. 59. Run. 60 to 69. Okay. 101. Let's see. 102 to 1011. Again we have to remove it. We have to click on clear. Let's see. One again. Once again. Run. 13 to. So students, the same interface that we have taken for the first 10 multiples of a desired number, this interface will be the same, but the coding will be the different. Let's see once again the coding. I'm going to show you it. Only one change that we have done is print A plus J. The rest will be the same. Students, I hope whatever I am teaching, whatever I am telling you, you are understanding it. You're not facing any problem. So dear students, please do your best, work hard, give your best in your computer practicals. God bless you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.